Welcome back to my channel. Today I will teach you free nice car control. Yes, it's really crazy, it's really unbelievable because I teach you free, nice, clean, unbelievable car control. So guys, please subscribe to my channel, like in this video right now, and now take card and teach this free car control. Let's go. Alright, control number 1. I take this 4 ace. It's really true. 1, 2, 3 and 4 ace. Look. Clubs, hearts, weights and diamonds. 4 ace. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 ace random position. Now squeeze. Snap my finger now. Oh, this is 8 of diamonds. Look. This is ace of diamonds. This is spades, hearts and clubs. 4 ace, jump top of the deck. It's really crazy car control. Let's learn. It's really easy. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4. Look, it's 4 ace. Yes. Look, it's really normal for ace. And now I count 5 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make a break and save it your break. And next step, you squeeze this 4 ace and show it like this. Look, 4 ace, and now you slip cut, take 1 cards, save it your break. And next step, you use this finger, take this 3 ace, and now make a switch this to pile. I take this pile like this and take this pile like this. And of course you save it your break and slip cut 1 cards and this pile drop it like this, turn over, make a break and show it 4 ace. Of course this is pile 9 cards, right? Show it 4 ace, turn over, take these 4 cards, it's really random cards, put in her random position, squeeze, snap your finger and show it these cards. Oh, it's a jack of clubs, why not? And next step, make a duck change, show this ace of spades. And next step, you make a double lift. You take these 2 cards, drop it like this. This is 2 cards. Look, you take these 2 cards. I repeat, look, take 2 cards, drop it, take 1 card, drop it, take 1 card, drop it. Of course, this is 2 cards. It's really easy move. You take this 2 cards and drop it 1 cards. Alright? I repeat, look, 1, 2, 3, 4 ace. Count 5 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Show it this 4 ace. And now make move it like this. Slide 1 card. Take these cards. Make a switch. Use this finger. Take this pile. Use this finger. Take this pile. Slide 1 cards and drop this pile. Turn over and show it 4 ace. 1, 2, 3 and 4 ace. Of course this is 9 cards. Look, I repeat. Look, man, it's 4 ace. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn over, take 1 card, make a switch, take 1 card, drop it, turn over, make a break, and show it this 4 ace. Turn over 9 cards, take this 4 random cards, right? Take 1 card, make a duck change, drop it. Take 2 cards, drop it, take 1 card, take 1 card. It's really crazy, it's really nice. Let's continue. Control number 2. Snap my finger and production to king. The next step, spectator take any cards. Maybe your cards. Oh, your cards, jack of clubs, it's really free. Your cards, jack of clubs, put in her like this and squeeze. Right? Look, the next step, I take this 2 king. It's really normal 2 king. And now 2 king, search 1 card, this is your card, jack of clubs. It's really crazy card switch, card control, it's really amazing. Let's learn. So for this card control, you take 2 random cards, maybe 2 king, maybe 2 jack, 2, 4, 2, 3, queen, ace, it's really anywhere. Look, 1 king face up, 1 king face down. The next step, you make a top shot and production 2 king. It's really nice move, right? And next step, spectator take any cards. Really free, you take these cards. And next step, you make move it like this and show it these 2 cards like this. And next step, you use this finger, count 2 cards. 1, 2, right? And now you turn over these 2 cards and make a switch these 2 cards like this. Of course, this is random cards because card spectator here. Alright, look, I repeat, snap my finger, production to king, Please take any cards, maybe your cards. Ace of clubs. Count 2 cards, 1, 2. Make a switch. Alright. Take this ace of clubs, no, this random cards, putting her like this. The next step, snap my finger and your cards jump top of the deck. It's really crazy, it's really unbelievable card control. Let's continue. Alright, control number 3. Spectators, stop anytime, remember these cards, maybe your cards. 10 of clubs, snap my finger and your cards jump top of the deck. It's really crazy. It's bonus, why not? So guys, for this card control, spectator stop anytime, it's really free, you make a dribble, spectator stop, your right hand make a fun, turn over these cards like this, spectator remember, it's really free, it's not force, because it's card control, why force? You remember, turn over these cards like this, and next step, you make a switch. Look, your right hand turn over this fun like this, your left hand make move it like this, alright? And now you repeat, turn over, and control these cards like this. Make it fun, turn over, this is 8 of hearts, turn over, make move it like this, control, and show it. Look, stop, make it fun, turn over, zik, zik, zik.